singing in the storm. Feathers, heavy wings, deftly torn. Lost for so long in directionless flight. Do you know where you belong tonight? Can you hear it? Do you see? The sun is rising like a dream. Raindrops reveal your secrets lost. Fares for the train of deepest thoughts. Cast in a hole through broken air. Have you felt the weight of what's not there? What's the answer? Where's the truth? The horizon takes us sideways, never smooth.